Yes. So we're gonna do a, as we go along. So this is a update on how far we get to from the last time. So we do a quick go through. All right. So remember the last time they was doing demolition upstairs, and now the deck is all frame and everything like that. So let's keep going. The truck is here with the sand and everything. Family truck. Yeah. So let's dive right inside. This box here, well, this gotta go inside. This is the panel, breaker box. So, alright, so now, last time we came here, all here was been, demoed. So, this area is like a dining room area downstairs. A half bathroom going there. Kitchen down there. A bedroom here and a bathroom over there. The last time when we came, all here was closed up, was opened, and as you could see, well, this is one of the workmen here. As you could see, it's all closed up already, right? And on top of that, there would be a next floor. So this is the guys who doing the work here and the boss here. Yeah. Yes, sir. Alright, and then, as I say, window here, window there. Alright, so now let's head upstairs now. So all here used to be walls, so everything is broken down. These windows gonna come out and put a different kind of windows. Okay, so now we're heading straight upstairs from downstairs. This is like the side of the building here, and then we're heading upstairs now. So you could either come in from that entrance there, or you come from downstairs and come upstairs. Rails would be going over here. Alright, so now we're on the top floor now. So all here is the veranda area we was looking at from downstairs. You see it's all frame already. One day we take to frame this out and cast it. Yeah. Okay, so veranda, little recreation area right here. Put little chairs here and a window here. One bedroom here. This panel gotta be moved and go outside there. Out back. This is the stairs coming up, and you have a second bedroom here. Entrance to the bedroom, and this is a second bedroom here. As I said, the roof be coming off next week, so we've got a brand new roof going on next week. And then over here, there's a next bedroom here, a next master bedroom here. This is a master bedroom here. Big windows gonna be going over there, and master bathroom gonna be coming here. Alright, so I'm gonna go do the layout in a few minutes for the bathroom. Yeah, big bathroom. Alright, over here is a laundry room, washer, dryer, a little closet for your clothes and everything, and a window goes there. Right, and here is the deck on the second bathroom on the top of the one downstairs. So as you can see, the guys, doing the steel right now to build the deck for casting. Right, And this is a little view from the back. Yeah. So these guys no joke, man. They mean business. Yeah. So that's actually the progress we make so far. So let's make a quick sweep downstairs around the building. So I'm heading back downstairs now. And if as you get here, you should notice that's the school over there. Primary school over there, Belgarden Primary School, and the church right up there too. Okay, so we back downstairs and I walk around the building now. So this is the truck we do all the dump all the stuff at the jump yard with. We got lift and everything. We got hoist, we got lift, we got boom. And this is the side of the, all these gotta go down soon. Also the yard would be paved too. Alright. So there we go. Yard space over here. Cesspit over there, that gonna stay. This tank gonna stay. This is the view from the back here. All here gonna be rails going upstairs. And this is the step going upstairs where the guys building the other deck up there. Alright, so stay tuned until the next progress video. All right.